So next pro tip, let's say you want to make an outline on this. You want to give it a border and you want to be able to do that without using any code. What you can do is you can get our lovely little shape block. And then if you drag it to be exactly the same size, then click edit. Then what you can do in the stroke is then turn this on, change the thickness. So in this example, we'll just make it 2 pixels. And then what I'm going to do is just change it and shift it backwards. So now I've got a lovely border around it. My shape is just tucked behind. It's just peeking through. Obviously, just being mindful when you're doing this on mobile as well to make sure that you join the two up, because it will start life like this. But then you can just do this again, send it backwards, and there we go. The ability to add an outline onto a shape using a shape on an image.